You are going to love the 2016 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, CD player, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.